Hello there guys, welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make a basic vegetable stock. This is very useful to have in your fridge if you want to make risotto, pasta or cream soups. So let's get started. I'm using some leftover veggies. Here I have celery root from which I will remove the skin, a quarter of red onion, a whole yellow onion which I will cut in half, 2 carrots, and we will cut all our ingredients in large pieces. I will also add 2 chillies, some zucchini, the ends from asparagus and some parsley. In a large pot we will add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and we will add our onions, celery root and carrots. Once they are brown we will add all our ingredients and cover them with water. Bring this to a boil and let them simmer for around 40 minutes. After 40 minutes the stock is ready. All you need to do is strain it. I really hope you found this video useful, and if yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys, bye!